Hello, and welcome to my quick tutorial on replacing the Biogents fan with the BLAM fan. First, remove the top. There, you will see the two clips that you need to push. And everything comes off. So there you go. It was just on that clip. You had to press while lifting. I removed the gauze net. Now you can see the fan. To access it, you either need to remove this top part or unscrew the 3 screws here. The top part is held in place by clips here at each corner. The clips are easy to access with a small screwdriver like this. Just insert the screwdriver while lifting here. Look at how to do it. There you go. It comes off very easily. In fact, I'll show you. It's these clips. This is what holds it in place. And here inside, you just have a small clip that holds it in place. So here, you just had to insert the screwdriver in there and press a little between the two while lifting it up. And everything comes off quite easily. If you can't do it, start from the bottom. We're just going to remove these 3 screws. And for that, I recommend marking one side of your trap so that when you put it back together, you'll know exactly where it was. Remove the plug, taking care to keep this nut. The nut is very important. You'll need it in a few moments. Remove the plug. Now take a look at the fan attachment. This is what's blocking the fan. So press here. Now lift the fan out easily. It's stuck again in the middle. So press again. And there you go. The fan is out. Now, to install the BLAM fan, make sure the cable comes out at the bottom. It can come out like this or like that, but it has to come out at the bottom and not the other way. Make sure the cable is pointing downwards and push it in until it goes behind the tab. We'll pull the cable out through the hole. And we'll put back the nut that we took care to keep. And that's it. The fan is now replaced. All we have to do is put it back together. Come and see. The 4 black clips need to be on the inside, not the outside. There you go. That's good. And of course, the corners must be aligned. Once everything is in place, we can press down on all 6 sides. There you go. That's perfect. Put the net back in place, making sure the cutout is opposite the notch. The last part should also have the notch in the right place. Here's one clip, the other clip, and all 6 corners pressed down. There you go. I hope installing the BLAM fan was as easy for you as it was for me, and that this fan will give you years of enjoyment and mosquito control. See you soon.